Blizzard?
Yes, Storm, what is it?
Oh, well, I just got like a cut on my paw from the sharp stones over there, so could you please help me with the wound?
Oh, yes, of course. Just follow me. Alright, I could see your paw was bleeding.
Yeah, it was.
So I've taken you to our plants that we use to dab the blood.
Alright guys, so these are some lamb's ears plants with, you could see like the fuzzy ears, not the fuzzy ears, the fuzzy leaves, and they grow on this plant, they grow in this backyard. Well, I'm allowed to be here since it's my grandma's backyard, but yeah. And I'm actually making a series, so in all of my wolf series, this is what they use. This is what the healer wolf uses to dab the blood from the wounds, and then they could put like leaves and sap. So the sap is to help the wound close, and then it's also to help the leaves stick to the wolf's wound. But this is used to dab the blood. Any leaf is okay to put over the wolf's wound, but this is to dab the blood.
Oh, thank you, Blizzard. My wound feels much better now.
No problem.